Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install GLPI on your Ubuntu server. By the end of this video, this tool will up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the system, install all required dependencies using the following command. Now let's edit the PHP configuration file. Use the following command. Open the Nano editor and modify these lines. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Let's configure the MariaDB. Use the following commands to create the database and the user, and grant them the necessary permission to work. Now let's download GLPI and extract it using these following commands. Assign the correct permission using these commands. Next, create an Apache Virtual Host and pass the following configuration. Don't forget to change the server name to your domain name or IP address. Enable the configuration and restart Apache. Now, to finish the installation, open your web browser and navigate to your domain name or IP address. Select your language, accept the agreement, and click the Install button for a fresh start. Next, configure the database and wait for the web installer to complete. Use the credentials displayed on the screen to log in. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.